Hi viewers, welcome to another series of DEECET subject. Today we'll see biological science. So I think the viewers are ready with solving the questions. So first we start with question 1. The word science comes from the word scientia, belongs to this language: German, English, Latin and Greek. The answer is scientia. It belongs to, first answer is 3, Latin. Okay. See, most of the words come from Latin words. Okay, English is also derived from Latin. Scientists do experiments. Why? Because for the individual perspective, societal perspective, due to constant change in science, all the above is the answer for that one. Science is a history of corrected mistakes. These words were said by Einstein, Karl Popper, Linnaeus, Lamarck. The answer is Karl Popper, right? Science is a tool for getting money, getting awards, searching truths of nature, genetic problems. The answer is 3. Science is an organized study of knowledge which is based on reading, writing, experimentation. No, it is based upon experimentation, right? Science is nothing but doing. Which one is endemic species to Australia? Kangaroo, kiwi, peacock, tiger. Sixth one is kangaroo, right? Biotic component in an ecosystem is sunlight, air, plant, all of the above. You see, biotic means which has life, and abiotic means which doesn't have life. And when we see sunlight and air are abiotic, plant is biotic. Biotic component. Reasons for the acidity is food habits, thinking, bacteria, virus. And the answer is bacteria causing acidity in individual. What are the good ways to display data for others? Tables, charts, graphs and all of the above. Answer is for all the 3. The method that followed by scientists is observation method, record method, questioning method, scientific method. The 10th is definitely it is scientific method. Bean seeds germinate well in the soil. Sandy, clay, potting, combination of sandy, clay, potting soil. Definitely. Not only clay means what happens? Water will not percolate down. Sandy means what happens when you pour the water, water will come down, percolate. It means coming down. The book History of Science was written by F. Kozori. Heliocentric theory was proposed by Galileo, Copernicus, Newton, Einstein. That is Copernicus. This process skills affect the outcome of an experiment. Right? Predict, hypothesis, observe, variables. You see, variables. Process skills. Who discovered the cell? Everybody knows that one. Robert Hooke in the Koch cells. Robert Hooke observed dead cells in, oak tree, cork. Animal cells differ from plant cells in the absence of 3. Animal cells doesn't have cell wall. Robert Brown discovered nucleus in dash orchard leaves, spinach leaves, onion leaves, and tridax leaves. So answer is 4th one, epidermis of orchard leaves. The jelly-like substance resulting between cell membrane and nucleus is protoplasm, cytoplasm, right? 6th one, nucleoplasm, all of the above. Unicellular organism is amoeba and bacteria. Okay. The biggest cell is egg of ostrich, right? 7th one. The nucleus is absent in nerve cells, red blood cells, white blood cells, bone cells. Which is the answer? Answer is A, B, C. Pseudopodia are present in amoeba. 9th. Pseudopodia are nothing but false legs. Size of the organism depends upon the dash. Size of the cell, number of cells, shape of the cell, structure of the cell. The answer is number of cells. The size of the smallest bacteria is 11th one, 0.12 micrometer. The size of human liver and kidney cells is 12th one. You see, it is 20 to 30 micrometers. The cell which can be seen through our eye is, right, 13th one, 192 nerve cell and egg of ostrich. The functional structure unit of huge elephant is cell. Whatever it may be the cell, whatever it may be the organism, the cell is a structure and functional unit. It gives rigidity to cell. 15th. The answer is cell wall. Place of nucleus in animal cell is at the corner, that is at the periphery. In section of spinach stem, how many groups of cells can be observed? 17. It is 4 groups. The stains which are used in staining are safranin, methylene blue, red ink, all of the above. Right? 18th. All are the answers. Which one saves the material from drying during slide preparation? 19th one, it is glycerine. The first compound microscope was made by 20 Janssen, right? Cooked food gets spoiled after some time because of heat, air, water and microorganisms. Please guess the answer. We'll have 2 seconds time. Right? Definitely because microbes settle down and lead to spoiling of food. Microbiology as a science was born in 1674. Anton von Leeuwenhoek initially was a dash fabric merchant. Number of lenses present in the Leeuwenhoek microscope is 1. Leeuwenhoek microscope magnifies the object how many times? 300 times. Leeuwenhoek discovered small moving organisms, called them as animalcules. Right? 6th one, 3. You can observe umbrella-like growths on dumped waste. They are nothing but 7th one. Okay, there's a fungi. Okay, what we see, mushrooms. Umbrella-like growths are nothing but mushrooms, which we call fungi. Bacteria present in the buttermilk: Rhizobium, Lactobacillus, Nitrobacteria, Clostridium. Answer is 2, Lactobacillus. The biggest bacteria found is, you see, 9th one is Theomargarita, right? 10th, the Theomargarita was discovered in coastal waters of Namibia. Pond water is greenish because of fungi, algae, bacteria and arthropods. The answer happens to be 11th one, algae. Okay, you see, whenever we see the ponds complete green is due to algae. Scabies is caused by fungi, microbe, bacteria, virus. 12th one is 1 or 2, microarthropods, right? These are the interlinks between living and non-living organisms. 13th one, answer is virus. Polio, swine flu, conjunctivitis, smallpox, chickenpox are caused by virus, right? 14th, bacteria is stained by 15th one. You see, crystal violet. Amoeba is a protozoa. 16th. Malaria and amoebiasis are caused by protozoa. 17th. Microorganisms present in the curd or buttermilk are 1. Bacteria. Per bacteria present in the curd, Lactobacillus. Form fermentation is the presence of 3. Yeast. Gas releases in fermentation is carbon dioxide. Antibiotics are produced from virus. 5th, antibiotics are produced from fungi. Bacterial diseases are typhoid, gonorrhea, TB and all. 6th all the four. Antibiotics are used to control bacterial diseases. Penicillium notatum 8 is the fungi. Penicillin antibacterial was discovered by L. Pragada Subbarao, Alexander Fleming, Louis Pasteur, Edward Jenner. Answer is 2. This protects us from getting the disease over a long period of time. Yeah, 10th one is nothing but vaccine. When a vaccine is given that contains weak microorganisms, kill microorganisms. 11th, 1 and 2. The word vaccine comes from the vaka, which means 12th, 1, cow. Nitrogen gas present in the air around 13th one is 78%. This microorganism fixes atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. All the above, right? Rhizobium, nostoc, anabina, astrobacter. Microorganisms present in the root nodules of leguminous plant or rhizobium bacteria, right? 15th one is rhizobium bacteria. Smallpox vaccine was invented by Edward Jenner. The milkmaids who developed cowpox developed immunity is 17th. Answer is smallpox. Disease causing microorganisms are called as pathogens or vectors. What we call pathogen. The microorganism Plasmodium causes malaria. Vector of Plasmodium is female Anopheles mosquito. 20. Right. Invention of pasteurization. Louis Pasteur. In pasteurization, milk is heated up to 2270 degrees. The disease also affects women along with cattle. 23rd is anthrax. The life process is essential for continuation of species. Yeah, definitely reproduction is not there. It will not be continuing. Okay. Then, viviparous characteristics features are 2. Epidermal hairs on the skin and external ears. Zygote is not formed in this reproduction. When we see third one, binary fission, budding and all. Hydra reproduces by binary fission, budding, cloning sexually, budding. After binary fission, parent amoeba gives, when you see that one, it gives 2 daughter amoebas. In this reproduction, parent organism is non-existence after daughter organisms are produced. 6th is binary fission. Hydra reproduces by budding. 7th one. Testes or male reproductive organs produce sperms. 8th. Right. Fertilization takes place in uterus or fallopian tubes. Yeah, this is very important. Fertilization takes place in fallopian tubes in uterus. Zygote is a diploid cell. 10th one. Why it is diploid cell? 10th one, because it is a combination of male and female gametes. Fusion of male and female gametes is in the formation of diploid zygote. 11th one. Right. Fully developed embryo is what we call it as a fetus. Mitochondria are present in the dash 13 middle piece of sperm. Internal fertilization takes place in 14th hen. External fertilization takes place in fish. Gestation period in human beings is how many days? 9 months. It is nothing but leading to 270 days. Tadpole larva is present in the life cycle of frog. Frog life cycle takes dash days to complete. 18, 46 days. Tadpole looks like a fish or lizard, right? 19th like fish. Dolly is produced by cloning. Embryos developed in fallopian tubes or uterus, right? Next, coming to adolescence age is between, when you see, it is 13 to 19 years. And adolescents show interest to spend time with peer group. Handham's apple is present in the larynx, the laryngotracheal chamber. Nothing but sound box. In adolescence, the reproductive organ reproduced by, fourth one, gametes. The legal age for marriage for girls is fifth one, 821. Which glands play an important role in development of reproductive system? Right? Endocrine glands. The character of living organisms is seventh one, growth. The gland responsible for controlling embryos is eighth one. Fourth, I didn't know. The gland responsible for controlling emotions is adrenal gland. The male hormone is testosterone. Stopping the menstruation is called menopause. Right. Forests are 1. Biosphere reserves. The variety and variability of seen in animals is called biodiversity. 2. Conservation of wildlife along with environment is seen in national parks. Most birds are seen in, when you see the fourth one, sanctuaries. Movement of birds for nestling from one to another is called, migration. Paper should be used thriftily. Used paper costs more. Sixth one, deforestation. In which year was the Project Tiger implemented? Seventh one, 1972. Ramagundam Forest is located in district. Right? Eighth one, answer is Karimnagar. Red data book symbolizes a warning for those which are in this gas state. Ninth one, it's too endangered. It's an important question. Species of plants and animals that vanished from earth are ever or called. Ninth. 10th one, extincted. The basic unit of nature is ecosystem. Decomposers are also called decayers. Artificial ecosystem. 3, we see crowfield. Now the desert percentage of land, when you come to 4th, it is 4. The sheep of the desert is called camel. The word ecosystem was first used, coming to 6, 1935. Largest ecosystem is biosphere. Water producers, plants, 8th one. The ecosystem is the study of the habitat, 9th. The seasons which find more vegetables. This you see one. The season which find more vegetables is 1, winter. Kharif is in the season of June and October. The global grain is rice. The instrument used to sow seeds is nothing but 4. It's seed drill. Name of the disease grown. 5th one, it's Zika disease. The process of watering the plants is 6th one, 4th, irrigation. Before storage of grains, they should be 7th one, they should be dried. The process of watering in the field is irrigation. Wattage percentage in 22-5-10 manner, 9th we see, it's 10%. Future irrigation is seen in Chile. Basin irrigation seen in 11. Pad irrigation depends on, 12th one, all the above. Example for weedicide is 24D. Yeah. Collecting rays from the crop is harvesting. 14th. After cutting, the grain is dried for 2 to 3 days. Farmer's family friend is nothing but 16th. Rat. Oh no, sorry, sparrow. Removing the grain from stalk is called threshing. Separate the grain from dust. 18 is nothing but winnowing. Common and dangerous disease in cows and buffaloes. 1, when you see it, 1, you see it is, the answer is Kalikottu, right? The doctor who provides treatment and care of the water is called. The weight of the emu bird is nearly 50 kgs. The important fish available in our magazine is 4th one, tuna. The first domesticated animal is 5th one dog. In pasteurization, milk is boiled at 62 degrees. Operation Flood belongs to which product? 7th one is nothing but milk. Vitamin that is not present in the milk is 8th 3. Okay, vitamin D. Boilers are read for 9th. Meat. Number of queues being bee colony. Okay, there will be only one queen in the bee colony. The male honeybee is 11th one. Drone. India has a coastline of 12th one. India has a coastline of 7,500 km. The year of Motor Vehicle Act is 88. Chimakurti has 3. Okay, granite factories. Nuclear power plants release radioactive waste. Forests now cover only 19%. CFC pollutant effect on ozone layer. Right? Date of Bhopal gas tragedy is December 84. Minimata disease which affects nothing but nervous system. We must use a petrol which has no lead in it. Fertilizers and pesticides cause mainly water pollution. Right? The plants use carbon dioxide for the process of photosynthesis. Which pollutant tarnish silver object? 11th one. Answer is hydrogen sulfide. Cleaner fuel is CNG. Health is a state of dash physical, mental, social well-being. Right? Which disease lasts for a long time? What is called? Right? Second is chronic disease. Non-infectious diseases are 3 is high blood pressure. It's not a viral disease. 4th one, cholera. It's a, right. Elephantiasis is caused by 5th one. We see fungi. Antibiotics kill. Right. Antibiotics kill dash 1. 6th one, it is 2 bacteria. Right? Yeah, viewers, I try to complete biological science bits of 8th class so that you have a comprehensive view about what is there in the 8th class textbook, and it will be helpful for your examination. Hope that you will be faring well in your examination. Thank you for your patronization. Signing off here, Dr. Kola. Bye-bye.